Hello, today I talk about the function block program, how to use PIDE in Studio 5000. First, we should know what's PID. If you don't understand PID, you can check my previous video. We talk about PID. Briefly, P is a proportion, I is integral, D is derivation. So, if you want to do function block program in PIDE, let's start. Okay. First, we should know it's PIDE. Why the PIDE function program instruction? If you go to process group, you can find the PIDE. Okay. PIDE too many stuff. A lot of parameter, but not everything we use. So we have to figure out which one we use. Then after that, we should use net log. Okay, let's start. Is input and output. Okay, use input A. So it's real. It's output A. Is real. Okay. Also, we should here have the make move, use move instruction, make loop. Okay, source is output A. Input A. Okay, then we should figure out parameter, PIDE parameter. Here is general configuration. We don't change anything here. Here's 1. Here's 5. So this one 100 engineer unit scanning is high, is low, doesn't matter. Cascade ratio, we don't need this alarm, we don't need alarm. So here we should use this one, enable 1, PV is 1, SP program, we choose 60, 50, okay. SP SCADA, don't need this one. Ratio, we don't need. CV program, we don't need. This one, we don't need. Okay, PI, this 1 and 5, okay. We don't change anything, we don't need this one. Okay, program, we don't need. is this one. Don't need this one. Program Alt 1. Program okay. This RTS time we just keep CVU. We need this one. SP need 50. Okay. Document. You change if you don't like. SPVH alarm we don't need. Alt, yeah, we need this one. 1. Menu, we don't need. Hand E. Okay. That's it. Okay, here is like 3, 5. Okay. That's it. Let me try. First, check, save. Download. Now okay. No, here's working. Let me see what's going on. Parameter, yeah. PV. Oh, program required. Okay. Program required. No. Okay. Now should be working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, look, here's running. So that's cool, yeah. Also, you can use other instruction. For example, LD, LG put in front or other way. If you want to check other function block with PID how to use, you can go to my previous video is RS Logics 5000 how to use PID. Okay, here it's different, a little bit different, but it's same thing is working. The keyword is you should be careful. This parameter here enable PV SP program. This way something should be also here program required, the program auto required. Okay, this 1 2 and 3 enable. That's way is SP. Oh, doesn't matter. It's out. It's out should be 1. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's cool. Yeah. Thank you very much.